In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Gamma app for a presentation. Let's dive right in and make the most out of this dynamic tool that's designed to enhance your presentation experience. First and foremost, before you proceed, ensure that you are logged into your Gamma account. This is crucial as all your projects and the features we will be discussing are accessible only when you're logged in. If you're not sure about your login details, take a moment to retrieve your credentials or reset your password to avoid any hassle later on. Once you're successfully logged in, the next step is to identify and select the project that you want to present. You'll find a list of your projects displayed upon logging in. If you have numerous projects, consider using the search or filter options to swiftly find the project you need. Selecting the right project is vital as this is what you'll be working with in the presentation session. After selecting your project, direct your attention to the drop-down menu at the top of your screen. It's easily located, usually towards one of the corners, often indicated by a simple down arrow or an icon. Clicking on this drop-down menu reveals several options that are central to navigating and controlling your presentation settings. Within this drop-down menu, you will find multiple choices for how you would like to present your project. These generally include displaying the presentation within the current tab, going full screen, or opting for a presenter view, which can offer additional controls and speaker notes if you have them prepared. To demonstrate today, we're going to select the In This tab option, but feel free to choose the method that best suits your presentation needs. Each of these views has its advantages. For instance, the full screen option removes distractions, giving your audience an immersive experience, while the presenter view is excellent for instances where you need to reference notes without your audience seeing them. As a tip, once you're in presentation mode, take a few moments to get comfortable with the navigation controls. These might involve simple keystrokes or mouse clicks to advance slides or revisit previous ones. The smoothness with which you can navigate through your presentation can make a meaningful difference in how professional and polished your delivery appears to your audience. To wrap up, using the Gamma app is quite intuitive once you've got the hang of these basics. Whether you're aiming to impress in a business meeting or presenting a research thesis, the Gamma app offers sleek tools and features that help maintain the flow and clarity of your presentation. Remember, preparation and practice are key, so ensure you've run through these steps a few times to deliver confidently. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide aids you in achieving a seamless and impactful presentation experience.